All right, when we want to write the equations for the piecewise functions, we have to see how many different parts we have. So if we look at this, I can see that I've got two dividing lines that give me kind of three different regions. I have this first one, which is all the stuff kind of less than -1. The second one, that's super annoying. Let's go back and have those be solid. Okay, I've got this first one, the second one between those two lines, and the third one to the right. Okay, so I'm going to start this out by saying f of x, and it's going to be equal to, and then I'm going to put this bracket, this set marking, so that I can see there's going to be three different things happening. So I'm going to have both an equation and a domain restriction for each one. If I look at this, my first one, I'm going to have to kind of continue this line to see what's going on. So I can see it's a line that has a y-intercept of -4 and is going down 1, right 1. So the equation of the line is negative x minus 4. Okay, I'm going to take this out so you can see there that it includes an x value of -1. So then I write my domain restrictions over here, where I'm going to say x is greater than or equal to, because it's filled in, -1. Then I look at my next piece. It's obviously a quadratic that has a locator point at 1, 5. So I've shifted it over 1 and up 5. If I look at the shape of it, it's going out 1, down 1, out 2, down 4. So it's the shape of a parent function, but it's flipped over vertically. So I know I'm going to have a negative x minus 1 squared, and then shifted up 5. That function applies, and let's look again here. I know it's going from, the x values are from -1 up to +4, and I'm between there. I'm not going to include the -1 because I've got an open circle, but on this end, I am going to include that. So I'm going to just say less than or equal to 4. Okay, my last one is another line. So I've got to just kind of work back and see. I didn't really give you probably enough of this, but you can see that it is at 6. It's halfway there. So I know it's going up a half over 2. So I can kind of take this back and see that it is from there. So my y-intercept is 2, and it's what we said is going up 1 over 4, positive slope, so it's 1/4 x plus 2, and my domain restriction, right, is starting at 4. I have an open circle, so it's just greater than. So again, just look at each piece of it, figure out what the function is. Is it a line? Is it a absolute value? Is it a quadratic? And then figure out the domain restrictions for that piece of it.